Hi, I am Limon, and in this video I'll show you how to fix the you don't have permission to access this folder issue. Now let's get started.
If you've ever tried opening a folder, clicked continue and still got blocked, yeah, that can be really annoying. For better understanding, I will open this PC and go to a folder location where the folder's permission is locked by Windows. Here, if you try to open the scan folder, you will receive a message requesting permission. You click continue, but it still doesn't open. That means Windows is restricting access based on system permissions. Now go down to the Windows search bar and type gpedit.msc and open it. This will bring up the local group policy editor. Now follow this path carefully. Expand Windows settings in local computer policy. Now expand security settings. Next, open local policies and then click on security options. Now scroll down all the way to the Use section. Look for the option called User Account Control, Admin Approval Mode. Now double click it and set it to disabled, then click Apply and OK. Now find another one called User Account Control. Run all administrators in Admin Approval Mode. Open it, set it to disabled, then click Apply and OK again. Alright, now restart your computer. This step is important, don't skip it. Once your PC is back on, go to the same folder again. Now try opening it again. And just like that, you should now have access without any permission errors. Now just a quick heads up. Disabling these settings reduces some security protections. So if you're on a shared or work computer, you might want to be careful with this change. And that's how you fix the access denied folder issue in Windows.